Thank you for coming to Healthy by Heath. This is that beautiful, rustic, spicy sourdough bread that I created from my own original recipe. So, in order to get things great, sometimes you have to experiment, you have to fail. I have failed so many times at making bread, it's ridiculous. Tonight, I get to rejoice. I get to rejoice because I finally got the right mix of ingredients together, just like you can in your own personal lives. Everything I made today was vegan. It was all natural. So to wrap up, go to Healthy by Heath on YouTube. It's all one word. If you put any spaces in there at all, you're gonna get Healthy by a million other people. You won't find me. If you do one word, Healthy by Heath, you will find our videos. You'll appreciate them because they're very good, they're very unique, and very original. Thank you. Enjoy the bread.